Hello everyone, I'm Dover from the Duo and Dover YouTube channel, and today I'm making a follow-up video on a Spotify tutorial I made a little while ago on how to take your local songs that aren't available on Spotify that you've downloaded from your computer and get them onto your mobile device for listening on the go. Now, of course, for this tutorial to work, you're going to need Spotify Premium, a Wi-Fi connection for both your mobile device and computer to simultaneously connect to, and the latest version of Spotify on your computer and your phone. To kick things off, go ahead and open up your PC version of Spotify and go to the three dots in the top left-hand corner of the app. Go down to Edit and follow just this drop-down menu to Preferences. From here, we're going to take a look at the Local Files portion of the settings and go ahead and check that on. Now, from here, you're going to show songs from an allocated source. This is the folder on your device where all your songs are saved. Go ahead and specify this location. In my case, it's going to be this PC and music. So I check that and put it on through here. Next things that we're going to need to do is go to our library, and now we will see that local files is a quote-unquote playlist that we have access to. Clicking on this, we will see that the songs that we have added in that section of our device will be here. But it's not that simple. The next thing we're going to need to do is going to be to right-click on any of the desired songs from our offline folder on our PC that we want on our mobile device and add it to a playlist that we're going to be able to access from our device. In this case, I'm going to be using the offline songs from my PC playlist, which I made just for this video. From here, you're going to need to enable this little button right here for offline downloading. Now that we have done all of these steps, we're going to need to move over to our iPhone or Android device. To get things started on our mobile device, we're going to need to scroll down in our settings to our apps. Finding Spotify, we're going to need to enable the local network permission. This will be found on Android devices under Apps, Spotify, Permissions, and on iPhone, of course, the little icon here for local network will need to be checked. On Android devices, I believe it's a check as well, but I'm not 100% sure how the user interface looks for each of those devices. Now, moving from that setting, we're going to need to go into our Spotify app itself and go to the top right-hand corner where we see the settings wheel, and of course, go to local files, which we will need to check on similarly to what we did on the PC. Moving on over to our library, we will find the playlist that we created for our offline songs to be accessed from our mobile device and download this playlist. Once the playlist is downloaded, this little check button right there, we're going to be able to get all of our music onto our phone. If you do not immediately see the songs that you added to this playlist from your computer, it is quite possible that the syncing process is taking a little bit longer. I know personally when I did this, it took about 5 minutes for the first time, but after that, everything was simultaneous. Any song that I added from my PC would instantly sync to this playlist, and as long as I was at home under the same Wi-Fi connection, things would be ready to go every time before I left my house. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys who had any questions on how this worked, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.